the duckies.
There's a white one right there.
Ah. Hear him? Honk! Honk! Karen, you see duckies? That's what it sounds like it's doing.
Quack, quack, quack. Look at the white one. Look at the white one. Right there.
It's colder. Nanny would let you out.
Look.
Oh no! Oh my God, they're all coming over here.
Back up a little so you can see these ones.
Alright, I'm gonna back up. Ready? We're gonna back up.
Look. Look. Kearney, look. She's not looking.
Oh my God, they're coming over to the van. Oh my God, we're getting jacked by ducks! Hi, ducky. They're like, yo, you got some chips?
Aren't they cold?
No, they're not cold. Their feather has like a protective... Now, that's not it! That's not nice! Stop fighting with her! Say, bad ducky. Bad duck. Now look, you hurt her leg. She's waddling. Aww.
They probably want food. Should have brought bread.
Should we go get some quick? Let's go get a hot dog. You want to go get one? Want to feed the duckies? Toot? Wait, where's her cookies in her purse?
She don't have any.
Or in her baby bag. Oh, did you take them out?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Man, I'd be cold in that water.
What?
Oh, look at the little baby walking by the road.
Where?
Right there.
That's not a baby. What? Do you like them?
I want to get her a duck for Easter.
If it was nice out.
Tractor Supply still had.
No, you can't because we're not allowed to have them in the burrow.
We'll bring it
Oh,
here.
it's so hungry. It's eating its own poop. We'll be back. We'll be back. We're gonna go get you bread.